Good morning everybody. This is an exciting time. We are on our last campervan conversion vlog. The finishing touches. So, first jobs, cover these door panels. We've got a light flimsy one for here and a black heavy one for here. But what I'm going to do, we've got some flimsy plastic stuff from inside the van we haven't used. So I'm going to cut around the black heavy one and make a flimsy one. You'll get it. And then we're going to cut out for the windows, cover them in carpet, and that's a job done. Another job is just there. We've got the end of the cupboard missing. That wants a panel doing, covering carpet. Another one is we need to sort the ceiling out, just to line it up. Some screws are sitting slightly tighter than the others, so we'll sort that out. Another thing we're going to do, from the other van, are the pop-out tables. We're going to put one here. We've already got the bracket side on it, so it's going to be underneath the lip, just a lip about there, for extra storage and worktop space. And here we're going to put in a sink, because the water's underneath there. Oops, that's gone. And any other little jobs along the way. So stick with us guys, we are doing the finishing touches. If you've got anything useful from this set of vlog videos, CAMPERVAN vlog videos, then drop them a like. Go back on the catalogue if you're doing one yourself. Oh, how wonder how they did that. Everything's there. And drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notifications. Give us some hype and a thumbs up. I got that this time, not Dina. She's busy. She's taking her time today. She's relaxing, bless her. So if we need a hand from her, I'll get her involved. So we'll catch you in a bit guys. Let's get these panels done. So there we have the plastic. Draw around it. Just about fits okay. Misses that hole. What I'm going to do now is jigsaw all the way around it. Get rid of the sharp edges. We have a light, flimsy panel. Trying to keep the weight down a little bit. This has got a bit of weight in it. Handy little shelf there, but we don't need that. We need the lightweight. So we'll chop that out and cut a hole in it for the window. So next thing, let's take these off. The frames off. Just hold that please, camera lady. Thank you.
Don't know if you're in shot, I can't see.
That's that one off. So what we're going to do, we're going to put some glue around there. Put the thing up, the panel on, press it against it, come off, should have an outline of the window. And then we'll put the frame equal over the top of that, draw around that, cut it out, and put some black rim across it, put carpet and black rim around it. That should look Bobby Dazzler, isn't it?
Yeah, sure.
Are you going to let people see you today?
No.
Okay. It's secretive.
Lack of sleep.
Lack of sleep? Oh, I'll get this one off if you go out of the way.
We'll switch it off now.
There we go, look, a dob in each corner of cork, decorator's cork. You can't say cork without sounding like a cockney, can you? Got some cork. Anyway, so that'll leave a corner and that'll guide us around our frames. So let's see how easy this is, or hard. There's Dina like, wee! No going back now. It's as intricate as it looks. Let's get this chopped out. There we go, another little job done. This was out of Peggy, hence the bits of paint and stuff, but it doesn't matter. So when you walk in, this is down. down nicely. Extra worktop space ready for the sink there. Nice and solid. I put washers behind the screws, so extra facial force, if you know what I mean. That's another job done. Just working on the back panels at the moment. They're a bit, they're harder than what we thought, so we come up with an idea for them, so we're on them now. While the glue's drying, I thought I'd get that done. So what we've done here, we've had a jiggery poker and come up with an idea, haven't we?
Yeah.
So under the side of this panel, there's 50mm insulation. And what I've done, I've cut this 50mm insulation around here. I'll show you another one in a minute. And glued it to the back of the panel while it's in situ. There's a word. Now that's in situ there, drill the window on, put the corners back and see if they fit, and if that's all alright, I can drill it into the door frame. The door, not the door frame. But that looks good, doesn't it? We didn't think it was going to look that good early, did we?
Nope.
Obviously,
Did not.
Actually back there, because it sits higher than the window, it did have a gap there and it didn't look right at all. Put a bit of 50mm insulation the back of there, so it should look Bobby Dazzler, and a little bit warmer.
Yes, definitely.
Right, let's get this fixed in. Whatever coloured caps you want.
What
Look,
colour caps was we
Dean
putting
is
on?
checking my carpet work. Look, I reckon. Not bad for sausage fingers, is it that? Between us, I think we've done a good job there. You did the thinking and I'm doing the cutting. That's alright, one more to do. I've just got to drill it on now with some screws. And that's one door done. It's took us ages, but it's worth the time. Right, so this is how we've done it. What we did, there's the installation there, look. We put it around the window, put the window in place with that over the top of it, and put some glue on that side of it, and glue on the panel, stuck it on, pressed it against it, and pulled it off so it's in the right place, hopefully. There's a little tip for the day. Tip for the day, that, Dina, isn't it? Tip for the day. Right, so I'm going to have to get that covered now and carpet and put it on, screw it on. That's the back doors complete. Look at that. Aren't we the professionals?
No.
Fly screens. Dark screens. Let's close the door and show you from the other side. Happy with this, guys. Happy with this. Look at this. Oh, phone's ringing. Look at that. What a difference. What a difference. Obviously we need to find some more black caps. We'll change those over, but blimey. Definitely happy with that. Right, next job. Sink, side or front. Definitely something to eat. Right then, guys, we are fitting the sink. It's going there. So going lengthways, are we not?
Yes.
Because there's room for the tap and it gives you a bit more extra room on your worktop.
We've decided not to have a pump. We've decided this has always worked absolutely fantastic for us. So what we're thinking is, if we put the sink there, if we don't need the tap, you can move it. Whereas if we have a tap in there, you're getting in and out. If you've got to bring something in and out, you might catch it. So it's just ideal. You just move it backwards and forwards.
So now I've got to cut a hole in there. You get one go at it. What could possibly go wrong?
I'm saying nothing.
Them doors look lovely, don't they?
Yeah, they do, yeah.
There we go. That's the sink done. Dina's happy she's got her sink.
Shouldn't be putting thumbs up to that, should I?
Not really. I'm a pot washer too, you know.
You do what pots?
Do you hear that? I'm a good boy, aren't I?
I'm not sure about that one.
I need to get this on film. I'm a good boy, aren't I?
No.
Oh, damn. Yep, so that's the sink done. I'm just going through, just splashback.
Splashback.
Bit of a splashback on there.
Yeah.
And then I'll carpet, or will carpet,
Yep.
along the bed there, so that goes over the top. And that's another job. Another couple of jobs done. We're getting there, guys, we're getting there. What's left after this?
Front on this sofa.
Yeah.
I think that's it, isn't it?
The side on that cupboard
Oh,
up
the
there.
side on this cupboard.
It'll
I've been
stay.
in and out today, just watching him.
You did alright, come up with some good ideas. Well, that was a joint plan, the doors were. Because of the gap, it looked really horrible. When we cut the shape out of the windows, it looked horrible. Just to go around it with that insulation, 50mm insulation, it's got rid of the gaps you can see around the radiuses. So really happy with them. Chuffed to
Bits.
Chuffed to bits, that's a good word. Wasn't the word out of my head, but we can't swear. Right, what's next? We're done for the day.
Carpeting for tree.
Oh, I come for carpeting.
Get that done, and then we've only got that to do tomorrow.
Slave driver, guys, slave driver. Because hoping tomorrow to go and visit somebody to show us how you wax and polish a van properly, Mr. Gadget Man. Catch you in a bit, guys. Sink.
The next day.
We've been hard at it on a Sunday, haven't we?
We have.
So, jobs we've done this morning so far. We've carpeted the bedside, which finishes it off nicely.
We just need an end strip.
Put an end strip
Down
there. We put the side of the cupboard on. That's some jiggery pokery. So that is the grey plastic from the walls, covered in carpet, glued with the carpet glue because it's light, and then obviously clamped until it dries. That's number 2 job today. Number 3 job, not quite finished yet, is these panels. We've cut them to size. Now we're going to cover them, and the leftover panel that we got for the ceiling, we're going to cover them.
Backsplash.
Splashback.
Backsplash.
Backsplash, splash, black, black, flash, black
Whatever.
on there. But that's enough. That's
My brain's not working today.
But basically after today, it'll all be the little nitpicky jobs. Things will change a little bit. But as far as the campervan conversion's done, today, this is the last vlog of it, isn't it? How many is it? 15? 15 episodes?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Plenty of episodes, but 15 episodes.
Yeah. It's been enjoyable doing it. Like we say, we're not
A challenge.
we're definitely not DIYers, but if we can do it, anybody can do it. Just crack on with it. There's always somebody out there to help you. We didn't do the electrics. We wouldn't touch the electrics, so we did have somebody come and do the electrics.
Talking of cracking on, let's get these panels on, because we're going out later.
Yep.
Somebody's going to have a tinker with the van.
Yep.
Hopefully. And we'll show you that later. Right, let's crack on then. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Give us some high bit of thumbs up. What are you whispering for?
Oh. At last. We can relax now. We can relax now, Dean.
I know we can.
Well, you covered that all up.
Yeah.
Right then, guys. Van conversion complete. Well, 99% complete.
Yeah.
A couple of bits and bobs to do, but the main bits are done. Whew, what a weekend. So if you can remember what we've done this weekend.
What a few weekends.
Oh yeah. What a 6 months. So
Yeah.
remember, we've done the back doors this weekend.
Complete.
Covered the side of the bed.
Done.
Put the sink in.
Done.
Put the
Side on.
side on.
Put the end panel on.
Put the end panel. I'm just repeating everything you say. And that's it. What a roller coaster.
Definitely.
So thank you guys, first of all, for sticking by us. And those that's watched every episode, what's the matter with you?
We're grateful for you.
Definitely grateful for it. And if you found it at least a bit helpful or inspirational, or thought to yourself, if they can do it, then I can, then that's what it's for.
Definitely.
That's what it's
Give
for.
it a go. Give it a go, definitely.
Give it a go, because we're going to start enjoying this. Next week we're busy sorting the house out, because it's a workshop. Basically, the last 6 months it's been a workshop, in especially the front room. We're going to sort that out the next weekend, and then the weekend after, we're going to try it out with the dogs. Wish us luck.
Wish us luck.
Not too far away, so if all else fails, we can always come home. But thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate every nice comment you've said, all the encouragement you've given us. We appreciate
everybody that's watched and liked. And
I mean, we've got some really good comments as well.
Yeah, we have. Yeah.
Telling us, saying how it looks brilliant, and we're looking at it now, thinking, how totally it's changed from when we first got it.
Yeah.
Anyway, with that, I'd like to ask you guys that haven't subscribed to please subscribe, because it costs absolutely
nothing. Free.
Even if you want to hit the like, subscribe, notifications, all that.
Give us some hype and a thumbs up.
There we go, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.
See you later.
Whatever that is and whatever we're doing, we'll take you with us. Love them doors.